How to use Google Drive. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Google Drive on a device. Now tap on the profile at the top right corner. Now click on sign in or switch your account. Now tap on the account you want to upload. Now wait for some time. Now to upload files, simply tap on new. Now tap on upload. Now select the file you want to upload and click on upload. Now to find the files, simply tap on files at the bottom right corner. Now here you can find all the files you uploaded. Now to share the file, tap on three dots. Now scroll down. Now tap on share. Now tap on manage access. Now click on change. Now tap on restricted and select anyone with the link. Now copy the link to share the file and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.